Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à French Learner Group. Je m'appelle Poonam, votre enseignante de la langue française. If you are learning French, you might have started complaining about French numbers. True, French number can be headache, but it is definitely not something that you can't conquer after watching this video. And I'm happy to help you. Vous êtes prêts? 3, 2, 1. C'est parti! Let's begin counting in French. Les nombres cardinaux. The cardinal number from 0 to 20. So let's start. In English we say 0. In French we say 0. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. If you observe, when I am pronouncing 7, in French 7, I am not pronouncing P. P will be silent. So the pronunciation of 7 in French will be 7. 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. If you observe from 11 to 16, the numbers in French is ending with ZE. That ZE sound will be Z. Z. So, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18. As with is starting with H and X is a consonant, so we will do the liaison. So the pronunciation will be this with Z. The sound of these will be Z. So these with 19, these 9, 20, 20. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button for latest videos. For French online classes, please contact on the given number. Thank you.